Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Grinch. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes with 2 small lines down. Now from the top, let's angle it up and out on each side. And then let's thicken the line up slightly. And then add 3 more curves on top for the eyelashes. Now for the end, we're going to step in and let's draw a curve down. And then bring it back to the center. Now top in and let's draw an oval curve down and up. And another one inside at the top. And color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 curves up. Then let's angle it up. And the same thing on top. And color them both in black. Now we're going to hop back down underneath and draw the nose. Let's start with a small curve across in the center. And a curve underneath. Now top in and let's draw a curve along the top. And color the bottom part in black. Now let's add 1 more curve on top of the nose here. And 2 curves under each eye. And that's it for the nose. Now we're going to hop up and we're going to start drawing the hat. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a large curve in, a bump over to the right, and let's continue our way across. Now from the left, we're going to draw a bump up, another 2 up and in, and 2 more over to the right on top. Now let's continue it by curving it out to the right, and continue this over. A larger bump out, and 1 more to close off the fur. Now before we continue the hat, let's hop underneath and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve down and up on each side. Then a wavy line out and in, next to each eye. Now let's curve it down and up, And let's work our way down and in the same way. Now to close off the bottom, we're going to draw 2 curves down, meeting at a point. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's hop in and let's draw the mouth. On each cheek, let's start with 2 curves. And then a wavy line underneath. And then a large curve across for the mouth. Now on top, let's draw 1 line up in the center. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop back up to the top and finish the hat. Let's start on top on the left and let's draw a wavy line up like this. And then on top, we're going to draw a curve out to the left. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's bring it up. Let's curve it into the left and up with a wavy line. And a large curve over to the right side. And then let's bring it down. And a curve to close off the end. And lastly, for the hat here, let's draw bumps around in a circular pattern to form the pom-pom. And that's it for the Grinch. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!